guys, we'll be back here to another video. We'll be just making regular slime, and I didn't want to do this. My cousin did, so yeah. Just tell me why you want to make this.
I want to make this. Look, I don't know why I want to make this.
We picked to make it. I don't know why. Just
and why we're in the washroom is because the cameraman picked it.
And sorry I haven't made in those many of the videos. I've just been too I've been too busy and stuff. So yeah, let's just make the slime, you know?
Yeah, so first we put some glue in already. He told me how much to put in. So I put some and the cameraman. Okay, so so now I'm gonna put the tide that's supposed to be in there. You can't tell me when to stop because the amount is only little by little. We just have to.
It won't even go in for some reason. It's about to come.
Why don't we just use the other side?
It came in. One drop. Why
don't we just use the other side?
It's gonna pour much. Yeah, that's good, right?
That's good. That's good.
Great.
So,
my floor is messy.
We'll
leave that.
Okay, now we'll mix. You just have to mix as much until it starts to come like this. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
No, yeah.
Huh?
Move this one.
More tide because that much tide was not enough. And just down.
Oh, too much.
No, that's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we need a part 2. Sorry, because
actually we don't. We could just see you guys when we're probably done mixing.
Okay.
Yeah. She's just mixing, so yeah, I'll be back when the slime is here.
Not yet. Let me try. Yeah, it's not.
Let me feel
not done. Yeah. Do it fast.
No, not done.
Yeah. So we still have to mix a little more. Halfway done. So yeah, let's just mix it a little more. Continue. Yeah. Mix it.
Yeah.
Wait, don't break my favorite bowl.
Oh, that's your cereal bowl.
My favorite bowl to eat my food in.
Oh my gosh!
Let me do it.
Totally gonna break it.
Yeah, I think it's ready. That's sticky.
I know, it's sticky slime. That's why we made a shaving cream. For it to not be sticky. That's why I added lots of tide.
I don't know why we don't have shaving cream at home.
That's weird.
Yeah,
that's just so weird.
I mean, you don't have mustache.
Well, your dad can shave.
Well, my dad doesn't
Oh my
shave.
god, see how clean like the bowl. Look at the slime. It's coming together. It's coming together.
Oh, it's on my.
Is it good?
Yeah. So
yeah,
spider web.
I think it's ready.
It's not ready.
I just want it to be ready right now.
Okay, first of all, guys, the sticky slime you cannot get it out. If you get it out, it sticks to your hand and you have to wash it. So you can only poke it. If you had, if you guys,
We could leave it here and it's perfect, I guess.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
He's wrong.
Guys,
Yeah.
Bye. So yeah.
Bye.
Peace out.